Welcome to MBSc Concept Chemistry. Dear students, after watching this full video, you will be able to name the organic compounds according to IUPAC system of nomenclature and also derive their structures from the given names. Students, in previous video, I explained how to write IUPAC nomenclature by using this format: prefixes, word root and suffixes. And also I explained what are the prefixes and the root word and the suffixes. Please watch full video, that then we will get the clarity. Now in this video, how to write IUPAC nomenclature for alkanes we are discussing, students. To write alkanes IUPAC nomenclature, there are few rules are there. According to that rules, we can write the IUPAC nomenclature. Now rule 1, students, while I am writing and explaining is time taking, that's why I written on the board, students. Now here rule number 1, select the longest carbon chain. Select the longest carbon chain means which direction more number of carbon atoms are including in the carbon chain, that is the longest carbon chain. In case of two same carbon chains are there, select the chain which have maximum number of substituents. This is the rule number 1, students. Now here, students, if you take this example 1, all carbon atoms are there in the normal chain, students. If it is there in the normal chain, we can give the numbering in this direction or this direction, both the directions same only. So now we will give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this we can give, students. Means 8 carbon atoms are included in the normal carbon chain. Or if we can give this direction also same, no problem. Both the sides same only. Suppose, students, in example 2, here two cases are there, students. We can select the longest carbon chain like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you go in the straight line, we are getting 8 carbons. Suppose if you go in this direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 carbon atoms we are getting, students. So now here 8 carbon atoms we are getting E direction. This direction we are getting 9 carbon atoms. So which side we are getting the more number of carbon atoms are including in the carbon chain, that direction we should select the longest carbon chain. Now which is correct, students, in these two? So this is the correct way of selecting the carbon chain. This is the wrong way of selecting the carbon chain. Same way here, students, in case of two same carbon chains are there. This is the one carbon chain, this is the another carbon chain, either this side or this side. Both the sides same carbons are there. So now this is one direction. From here to this side if you go, or this side if you go, both the sides same only, students. In case of two same carbon chains, select the chain which have maximum number of substituents. Substituents means which are not included in the carbon chain, students. Okay. So now here also we can give the numbering, students, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Students, fourth carbon atom only having the substituent. It is complete one only, like we will consider, students. Now, but if you go in this direction, students, 1, 2, 3, 4. Students, now this side or this side, both the sides same only. In a direction we can go, students. 5, 6, 7. I'm selecting like this. Now here, students, second position one substituent is there, third position substituent is there, fourth position substituent. Substituents means which are not included in the carbon chain. So more number of substituents included in the carbon chain. So this is the correct way of selecting the carbon chain. This is the wrong way of selecting the carbon chain, students. Please note down. Next, rule number 2, students. In rule number 2, the numbering is done in such a way that the substituents should get the lowest possible number. Substituents are branched carbon atoms which are not included in the carbon chain, that are the substituents are branched carbon atoms that should get the lowest possible number. Now, students, here we can give the numbering this direction: 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here substituent position, students. Substituent means this is which is not included in the carbon chain. Position 3 is there, students. The same way, if you give the numbering this direction 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here it is getting the second position. So which is the correct way, students? Which is the lowest possible number? 2 is the correct lowest possible number. Thus direction, that way of numbering is the correct. This is the third. Comparatively, this one more possible number is there. Lowest possible number is there. That's why it is the wrong way of giving the numbering. Now, same way here, students, is the carbon, students. 1, 2, 3. Now, chlorine atom is the substituent, students. Or here, branched carbon atoms which are not included in the carbon chain, I told now. Here, chlorine is there, students. That is considering as a substituent or functional group. This should get the lowest possible number. Now here it is there in the carbon, first carbon, no? So it is the lowest possible number. That way of giving numbering is the correct. Suppose if you give numbering like this, students, this is the third position is the comparatively here more number. That's why this way of numbering is wrong. Next, here students, we can give the numbering this direction: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, students. Now here substituents, sixth carbon atom having substituent, second carbon atom also having substituents. Second carbon atom also having substituents. Now students, more than one substituents are there. We can take the sum value. What is the sixth position? One substituent is there. Second position substituent is there. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Okay, next, same way, now we will give the numbering from this direction: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Students, here substituents are there here. Fourth position substituent is there. Eighth position also substituent is there. Fourth position substituent is there. 4 plus here 8th position substituent is there, na? 8. 4 plus 8 is equal to, students, 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. We are getting this side. Okay, here we are getting 8. Which is the lowest possible number, students? This is the lowest possible number. That way of numbering is correct. This is the wrong way of selecting the carbon chain. Students, here lowest possible number. Substituent should get the lowest possible number. That direction we should select the carbon chain, students. Is not done. Students, from rule number 1 and 2, we discussed how to select the longest carbon chain and how to give the numbering. Now here, how to write the name for the given compound, we will discuss, students. Already previous video I explained how to write the nomenclature for the given compound. We are following this formula, students: prefixes, root word and suffixes. Prefixes means alkyl groups which are not including the carbon chain, like this: methyl, ethyl. And alkoxy, nitro and halogens also prefixes. These names before the root word we should write. Next, root word or word root means the maximum number of carbon atoms which are including in the carbon chain. And then suffixes, primary suffixes only. Yesterday I told students, primary suffixes means between carbon single bond is there, N, double bond is there, in, triple bond is there, in, like that we discuss, students. Now we will write the name for this compound, students. First rule, according to rule number 1, we should select the longest carbon chain. So it is the longest carbon chain, students. Now we are giving the numbering, students. Second rule, according to LPN, lowest possible number, substituent should get the lowest possible number, students. Now here E direction, substituents are getting the lowest possible number, students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This direction here, second position substituent is there, sixth position substituent is there. Now these methyl and ethyl groups not included in the carbon chain, students, these are the prefixes. Before the root word we should write it. Students, while you writing the name, we should follow the alphabetical order, students. Here ethyl, E is the alphabet, first starting letter. Next, here methyl, starting letter M is the alphabet. So M and E, which is coming first alphabet, students? So E, So now sixth, while you writing the name, position of the substituent, sixth, students, between number and substituent branched carbon, we should write hyphen, students. 6, ethyl. Next, hyphen, students. One more is there here. 2, methyl. Completed, students. These two only substituents here. Next, these are the prefixes, students. Ethyl, methyl, which are not included in the carbon chain, that are the prefixes. We are writing before the root word. Next, word root, students. How many carbon atoms are there? 9 carbon atoms are there. 9 carbon atoms are there. Root word known. Yesterday I given students root word format, known. Next, between carbons, single bond is there. Primary suffix is the ANE. Primary suffix ANE. Now, this compound name, students, 6-ethyl, 2-methyl, known AN is the compound name, students. Like that we can write it. Please note down, students. Next, rule number 4, students. Here, more than one substituents are there. More than one substituents are there. Numerical prefixes di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, like that numerical prefixes we will use, students. But these numerical prefixes, while you are writing the name, alphabetical order, we will not consider, students. Now, for example, here this compound is there, students. Numbering, this side or this side, both the sides same. So, we are giving numbering like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I given numbering, students. Now, here, second two substituents are there. Previous example only two different substituents are there. Previous example. Now here same substituents 2 times repeated. The R cases we will use the numerical prefixes di, tri, tetra. And while you are writing the name, alphabetical order we followed, na, there methyl, ethyl, like that. Now here also di is di, tri, tetra. These numerical prefixes we will not consider in the alphabetical order. Now, here, students, how to write the name for this compound? Now, here the longest carbon chain selected, second position and fourth position, 2 substituents are there, that are the same substituents. That cases, we will use the numerical prefixes di. Now, here 2, 4, di, numerical prefixes 2 times same functional group repeated, numerical prefix di. What is that repeated? Methyl. Methyl. Next, what is the root word, students? Pent. Pentane is the compound name. Students, while you are writing the name between substituents and the root word, no gap, students. Okay, and here between the numerical numbers and this one, small hyphen should be there, students. Okay, like this. Now here, students, this compound. Now here, students, for this compound we can select the first rule. According to rule number 1, select the longest carbon chain and more number of substituents should include in the carbon chain, students. Like this we are giving numbering here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, students. Now here, students, while you are writing the name for this compound, methyl groups 3 times repeated, students. Now that name is the 2, 2, second carbon attached with 2 methyl groups. 1 time means 2, like this we written now. The same 2 times repeated means the same number 2 times we will write, because 2 methyl groups are there in the carbon. 2, 2, 4, fourth position also same substituent is there. 4. Total how many are there, students? Tri. What are the substituent, students? Methyl. All 3 are the methyls. Methyl, trimethyl. Next root word pent. An is the primary suffix. Pent is the root word. Ane is the primary suffix. Next, this compound, students. Select the longest carbon chain and substituent should get the lowest possible number. So this direction we are getting that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here, students, third position ethyl is there. Fourth position 2 methyl groups are there. Ethyl, methyl, that we will follow in the alphabetical order. Okay. Now here, students, name for this compound 3 ethyl, 4, 4 dimethyl, 4, 4 dimethyl. Next root word, students, substituents completed now. Substituents prefixes before the root word we written 4 methyl, root word hept, primary suffix ane, primary suffix ane. Like this, we can write the name for the given organic compounds. Please note down, students. Next, students, rule number 5 here. In case of tie-in numbering of the locant, then follow the alphabetical order. Tie-in numbering of the locant means, students, if, for example, two different substituents are there in the equal position. Suppose here, students, if you think this side second position chlorine is there, this side bromine is there, second position. Now, we can give the this side or this side, both the side substituents, substituents same positions are there, locants also same only will come, lowest possible number also same only will come. This side second and here third, this side is second, third, 2 plus 3, 5 only, both the side. That cases we should follow the alphabetical order. Now B, bromine, first alphabet, then C is coming now. So that's why this direction we should follow the numbering, students, selecting the longest carbon chain. While you writing the name, as usual, alphabetical order only we can write, students. Now, what is the compound name, student? This compound name. Now here, second position bromine is there. 2 bromo. Yesterday I told you halogens. Halo means bromo, chloro, like that. 2 bromo. Next, 3 chloro. 3 chloro. Root word but, primary suffix ane. Yesterday more examples we solved, students. Now same like that here, students. 1, 2, 3, third position ethyl is there. 1, 2, 3, third position methyl is there. Both are there. Tie-in numbering. That cases we should follow the alphabetical order. E is first, then M, like that. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then compound name, students. Numbering like this we should give, students. Here 3 plus 6, 9. This side also 3 plus 6, 9. That's why we should follow the alphabetical order, students. Now here, students, compound name, students. 3 ethyl, 6 methyl. Substituents completed, students, which are not included in the carbon chain, that are the prefixes. Next, root word, students. Oct, 8 carbons are there, means root word oct. Ane, between carbon atoms only single bond is there, students. That's why primary suffix ane is the compound name, students. Please note down, students. Students, based on the 5 rules, I am giving these 5 questions to you as a DPP. These questions, IUPAC nomenclatures, please write in comment box. Students, if you have any confusion with this bond line structural representation, previous one video I prepared based on condensed, complete and bond line structural representation. You can watch that video. These names write in comment box. Next class, I will continue with these problems. Students, please subscribe this channel. Share it with your friends and classmates. Thank you.